Imagine holding a conversation where a simple pop or click of your tongue can mean anything from yes to zebra. In certain regions of southern Africa, this is a reality. Click sounds, produced by creating suction in the mouth and releasing it, are integral parts of languages like Xhosa, Zulu, and Pakshol. These sounds aren't just quirky additions, they're full-fledged speech sounds, as meaningful as any vowel or consonant. In Xhosa, for example, the name of the language itself begins with a click. Clicks can express ideas, emotions, and even serve as greetings, adding rich layers to communication. What's more surprising is that clicks have crossed continents and centuries, appearing in unexpected places. Some ritual languages in Australia and even children's playful speech worldwide use clicks, showing their surprising reach. Scientists believe these sounds may be among the oldest in human speech, echoing our distant past and hinting at how early humans might have communicated. The next time you hear a click in conversation, remember, it's not just noise. It's a living link to humanity's creative ways of connecting, revealing how diverse and inventive our communication truly is.